A very cool and pleasant morning to everyone present over here. Honorable Principal Sir, respected Vice Principal Sir, Reverend in Charge Ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as of the celebration toward Ozone Day on 16 September every year, we, the students of Greenhouse, are going to represent a skit which emphasizes the importance of ozone. Dear all, the ozone layer protects the earth from harmful UV radiation of the sun which destroy the ecosystem. But human activities such as using ozone depleting substances like CFCs have put ozone layer at risk. For action and progress, the Montreal Protocol, an international agreement, has helped to reduce the harmful substances and the ozone layer is showing signs of recovery. However, more work is needed. What you can do is help save ozone layer by using eco-friendly products, planting more number of trees and switching off lights when not in use. Now, whatever you do is showing the signs of progress. The importance of saving ozone layer is for securing our future and creating a safer and healthier environment for all of us as the ozone layer serves as a shield around the earth absorbing harmful UV radiation of the sun and preventing it from reaching the surface of the earth. It also helps keep the environment moderate. Lastly, let's celebrate this well-known phrase. A long journey begins with a single step. Be a part of our everyday lives in making a sustainable earth. Thank you for listening so far and now let's enjoy the skit.
The AC. It is too hot.
Don't sit in it all the time. Do you know how harmful it is for our health?
Dangerous. But how?
It is releasing CFC, which is depleting our ozone layer, due to which the harmful UV rays are reaching our planet.
What is ozone layer and what is the importance of ozone layer?
Ozone layer is one of the layers of our atmosphere, which is protecting us from the harmful rays of sun UV rays. It do not allow UV rays to enter our Earth's surface.
What are UV rays and why UV rays are so harmful?
UV rays cause a lot of harm. UV rays cause skin cancer. They increase the temperature of Earth. They are responsible for melting up of the glaciers, due to which there is rise in levels of oceans. If it continues, would result into big destruction.
So, what should be done to save life on the earth?
Avoid using aerosol sprays. Choose a refrigerator or AC without CFC. Follow 4R policy. Reduce, reuse, refuse, recycle. Use alternative means of transport.
Okay.
You, day by day, will become large. You can't save us.
Dear mother, don't worry, I am here to protect you. Dear humans, now you can only save Mother Earth. Reduce the use of aerosol, CFC and NCFC. I can't help. Else be ready to face the consequences. I will not use AC. I will not use room freshener. I will create awareness among the people regarding this issue. Thank you.